Hi guys, welcome to Shikopol channel.
YouTube channel.
Subscribe please.
Toshabirio togetweka twetoho na togetweka vyetu tugeguna. Wow, I just love that song. Mom, napenda yako gani?
Mimi napenda ndihokete ngai utahotagwo.
Okay.
Na nĩ rwĩmbo rwa Catholic song na nĩ ngwajia. Ndihokete ngai utahotagwo hinya wake unyenyagia irema ucio niwe ngũtũra ndugataga. Ndihokete ngai utahotagwo hinya wake unyenyagia irema ucio niwe ngũtũra ndugataga. Thũ cia njũkĩrĩra akoragwo na niĩ tondũ nĩ mũrata ũtangĩndirika. Ndĩhokete ngai ũtahotagwo hinya wake ũnyenyagia irema ũcio niwe ngũtũra ndugataga. Ndĩhokete ngai ũtahotagwo hinya wake ũnyenyagia irema ũcio niwe ngũtũra ndugataga.
Actually, you also have another song. Ile mama amewekagira hinya
unaimbwa hii ni ya Betty Mbayo. Gakano gatunoka rĩtoka ĩno ndumerorete gũthira. Gakano gatunoka rĩtoka ĩno ndumerorete gũthira.
Mama, why do you love that song? Mbona unapenda hiyo wimbo?
Nĩ rwĩmbo rũu rĩ nĩ rũnjĩkagĩra hinya mũno, especially mahinda-inĩ ta maya turamon your dad my house. Koguo ti ũhoro mũhũthũ gũtigwo nĩ baba wanyu ũguo, ti ũhoro mũhũthũ gũtigwo at my age nĩ mũthuri. Nĩ ũhoro wĩna kĩeha kĩingĩ, no nĩ tũĩ Ngai ũrĩa wonaga kũrĩa kũriku mũno nduma-inĩ. Nĩ njũĩ justice ya baba wanyu ya mũthuri wakwa no tũkũmĩona. Tũngĩhoya Ngai ahe andũ wendo, especially andũ arĩa marona channel ĩno ya Shikopol mahote gũtũteithĩrĩria, tondũ mona nĩ njũĩ nĩ tũkũhota kuona mũndũ ũcio. Ona CID iria iraruta wĩra ũcio anacio ingĩhoya Ngai thirikari ĩno ya Ruto amĩhe hinya na ũgĩ mahote kuona mũndũ ũcio nĩgetha ngoro citũ ciganĩre, tondũ tũkaiganĩra rĩrĩa tũkaigua mũndũ ũcio nĩ anyitwo na justice nĩ yoneka.
True.
Yeah.
For me, by their fans, I'm happy and humbled kwa watu wenye walienda kwa Medha ya Kagoni and then they came to my channel, they subscribed. Actually, nikifanya Medha ya Kagoni we were at 10,000 subscribers, but I can see right now we are at around 13,000 subscribers. I'm so humbled. Yeah, I'm grateful. The messages zenye mnatuandikia, na even those who are calling, who took the numbers, calling me each and every time, usiku mchana juu. Unajua mtu akiwa US maybe call ni mchana, na all time ananipigia, they encourage me. Sometimes we cry together kwa sababu it's never easy. Sometimes who listen to the stories you tell me inanipeanga nguvu, although it's never easy. Sometimes you get some triggers, unaumia. You know, death is a very, very painful thing that one can experience in this life. Alafu tena unajua it's not like daddy was not sick, he was okay of health, and then today mko na yeye, tomorrow amko na yeye, you're so close to him, you know. It's hard. Maybe sometimes sitakudanganya, mimi nilikuwa hadi naogopa hata hiyo siku yenye niliatwa yako muhuruke na feel like kama nitaweza, but God's grace is always sufficient.
Yes.
Yeah, awekagira hinya. Alafu tena what I learned, anakupeanga watu wengine wanakusaidia in life.
Yes.
Wanakusupport both mentally as in emotionally, advice, financially, zote. Anadu wale mutasharaniro nao. Like you find they tend to become your closest part of the family. Sometimes I lack words to say the gratitude. You know, just siku moja I never thought like one time I'll be on social media maybe saying all this like mtu ashikwe, you know, like I used to watch on other videos na wote za watu wengine, and I'm like sahi nasema my own story, it hurts a lot. Sikuwa ifikirianga, mimi nilikuwa nafikiria maybe ningekuwa tu nafanya do videos with him, tunatembea mahali, take travel content. It's hard. Maybe sijui what I'm saying, and maybe naongea kwingine siko consistent on what maybe I'm saying, but I just wish maybe the pain would be like lived in a way. You know, sometimes I break down ninakuwa hard, like huwezi weza kuzuia, and you see now your mother is there and she doesn't want to show you anaumia maanalia sababu itakuumiza bado. Mama, I find you so strong, although it's not easy, you know. Mtu ulikuwa umezoea kukaanga naye kwa nyumba, everything anakufanyia, and one thing is that dad really loved a family so much, sababu kama angekuwa anatupenda hadi vitu zingine hakungewahi tuambia. He was so open in everything that he did. Or is what I usually pray for him. Kiyamuheke huruko gitathira.
Na weri wa ingo ciothe ni umutheragire arohuruka uhoro nigo tuike guo kuma muromo wa irihero mwathani urute muoyo wake.
Amen. That's always what I usually pray for him. Na I know at a time dad is always watching on me, maybe in spirits, and atakuja maybe kuna kitu atanionyesha tu nje in very many ways. I always pray like akuwa anani guide juu I feel like he's even much closer to God than I am, kwa sababu unajua maybe spirit talks and maybe anashindanga akienda kwa meza ya Mungu. Those are just imagination I'm thinking. Naenda kwa meza ya Mungu anamwambia like ulinichukua, make sure watoto wangu ateseki, hakuna mwenye atakuja kuwasumbua, you know, like it's hard. Unapatanga thrown nini all unadhroiwa two shades, mostly even by close family members. That's when unafaa kuwa ndo wanakusupport, unapata ndo wanakuumiza kabisa. Maybe I'll create a video on this one time if I have the power to talk to and maybe kueleze, you know, vitu zingine unalaningi through experience. Na I think I've learned a lot with dad's death. Mom na baby, I've really learned a lot.
Also me, also I.
And I'm going to share it out, and anyone, any woman, any widow atajua venye atafanya juu atakuwa you are not prepared that unafaa kufanya hivi, like you're supposed to do this and this and this. Now there are very, very crucial things that you're supposed to do. I'll definitely make a video for that. Not that it takes a teaching. And what I always remember dad is the love that he showed his family unconditionally. As in tari wago dimoka no tari wago itia kindu kige back in return. He used to love us completely. Now the moments are always so special in me, and I always love him. Hata akiwa mahali yako, he knows I love him so much and he means the world to me. Na hakuna mwenye anaweza change that. Yeah, I'm just checking there and I have that picture of him. Let me just show you this. Yeah, I just have this cute picture of him. Yeah, this was my graduation last year, and I just love him so much. And I know you'll always protect me, and I don't want to get emotional about that. Yes. But anyway, I just wanted to make this video to just say thank you. I've been reading all your comments. Nimekuwa mkinikomentia. If I'm not yet replied to yours, just know I've read and I've liked for you, and it's encouraging me. And don't stop writing beautiful comments for us, and also like, subscribe, so at least it helps in maybe kufunza sis jua kushule bado, and doing 1 to 1 to 3 kwa nyumba, and to build a very beautiful monument hapo mali amelazwa, because I believe he's a legend, and I just love him so much. Mom, what do you have to tell them?
Nawashukuru sana. wenye wame subscribe kwa Skoporo YouTube.
Yeah.
Waendelee hivyo hivyo tu. Na Mungu atawabariki.
And also I also forgot na kama for those who have been supporting me financially, Mungu tu mahali zimetoka, wacha tu zirudi tena, waongezewe tena, kwa sababu it's not like I forced you just only feel too I needed it. Yani I'm just happy, I'm just lost on words. Na kama hii video maybe itakuwa like natoka huku naenda huku kwingine, nisameheni. And also happy for Medha Kagoni. Mungu aendelee. I'm so happy, and I still believe there is a way. Na justice for dad, justice for Paul, justice for Paul. Huyo mtu ashikwe, akue ndani, alale, yani I just want him ashikwe, yani I can't do myself, because I may not able to curse later. I just feel like cursing all his generations. And actually, he's already cursed. So, and I feel he's just like a nobody. Mwenye anaweza take a life, a precious gem for us, you are cursed. But anyway, thank you, besties. I have not much more kusema. I will keep on updating you on the progress. Na pia tukifanya house tours, just comment, unaniambia unawatch ukiwa wapi, subscribe, share it to other to your friends, ndo waone. Nitafurahia sana. Thank you, besties. Love you. Ciao. Bye.